Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you curious about diving into digital marketing, but you're worried that you don't have any experience? I mean, I had none. I had zero experience a few weeks ago. Today, I'm here to show you how even complete beginners can start earning up to $900 daily with just a 2-hour commitment each day. 2 hours. That's if you are to include the weekends. That's 14 hours a week. That's less than a day and a half at a 9 to 5, 8-hour work days. And you can tag 2 hours. You can tag on an hour in the morning and an hour in the evening. That's it, an hour in one end. Or throughout your day on your lunch break, you can kind of do stuff on your phone for 30 minutes. You know, you can break it up. It works to your schedule. You don't have to sit and work on it for 2 hours. It's very flexible with you, okay? So what I would like to discuss is how you can start with this beginner-friendly, step-by-step blueprint to get started, and why taking action now could set you up perfectly for the upcoming holidays, because boy, are they coming quick. It's September right now, and before we know it, you know, you got to start shopping in October, November, so it's coming around the corner, you know. So I'm going to go through a couple of questions or items, bullet points on this that are FAQs, or frequently asked questions. You know, number one is experience needed? As I mentioned, absolutely not. None. The Legacy Builder program is designed specifically for beginners, okay? You don't need any prior knowledge or experience in digital marketing. The step-by-step blueprint, it guides you through every aspect, making it easy to follow and implement. And I didn't believe it. I didn't believe it until I started doing it. And I've used this before. It is color by numbers. And they give you little videos, short video clips that you can watch and just nibble at this, you know, at your own pace. It's great for that, for busy folks, okay? So it's a simple start. You'll just start by learning the basics through these easy to digest modules that I just mentioned, and they're perfect for fitting into your schedule, okay? I think they run from anywhere to 2 minutes up to maybe 20. There's only 1 or 2 that are longer than 8 minutes, okay? So that's pretty easy. Number 2, there is a huge high earning potential. Imagine if you're able to turn 2 hours of your day into $900. Yes, it is possible. The program is designed for maximum efficiency. I love efficiencies over here. This guy loves efficiencies. And it allows you to achieve significant earnings with minimal time investment. Minimal time investment. So with the holidays are approaching, there's no better time than to get started right now. Imagine having that extra income. I mean, I'm excited to have that extra income because I know some years flows are in, some years flows are out. And those years that flows are in, you can control that. You can make every year a flow in versus having those ebbs and flows and ups and downs, because the low flow years are so stressful. You know, making sure you have the means to really take care of your family and make them feel excited, and you know things don't necessarily need to be what we drive around, but I know my family, we like to do things during the holidays. So having financial stability to go out and do things with our family and make those memories is crucial for us. So so with this holidays coming, think about it. Take action now on that. All right, number 3, okay, we have support and resources. I mentioned it earlier. This community that you are linked to is one of the greatest advantages is this ongoing support that you're going to receive. The Legacy Builder program includes access to supportive community and expert guidance to help you through this every step. Again, did not believe it. I did not believe any of this. I've done MLMs and did not get the support that I was told that I was going to receive. There are 38,000 people in this community, and they are accessible through the community program that you will have access to with this program. And if you have a problem, just drop in a comment on the board, on the message board, and it's just like they all attack it. They all come in. You get responses. You get so many. And you're just like, wow, that was so easy. I didn't need any sort of technical support. Like, it's all right there. I mean, they provide technical support for you if you need it. Okay, so by starting now, you're quickly going to get up to speed and begin seeing these results. setting you up perfectly for those end of year financial goals that we all are striving for. All right. So lastly, just take action, take immediate action. Don't wait any longer. Take action now, because the holiday seasons you want to be financially rewarded during the holiday season. And, it's just, why wait? You don't make any progress. It's just like investing in your retirement fund. It's slow at first, but then it curves up. Well, you can't get to that curve unless you start now. So invest in yourself right now to get that going, because the return is incredible. So drop any questions that you have in the comments. I am so here to help. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching. And remember, starting now can make a huge difference by the holidays. So don't miss this opportunity. Until next time, stay motivated and keep striving for those financial goals. I know I am.